So resin bonded FPD. Resin bonded FPD are minimal preparation, fixed partial dentures which are primarily bonded to the enamel of the tooth structure. Okay. So process that are rooted to tooth structure primarily to enamel, which has been etched to provide mechanical retention for composite resin. Four types of resin retained fixed partial dentures are there. Over that, what are the indications? Indications, yes, definitely it is for young children. When there is young children, definitely I told you preparation in young children, vital preparation in young children, it is very difficult. So till they grow old, we will give a Maryland bridge. Or for replacement of lower anteriors, lower incisors, again mandible for preparation, it is very difficult to do vital preparation mandible anterior teeth. So at that time also we go for resin retained fixed partial denture or resin retained FPD. Now coming to Maryland bridge. Maryland bridge, again it contains metallic wings, two metallic wings over the lingual surface. Now how it is bonded? The lingual aspect or the intagular surface of the metal wings, it is etched with a strong acid. So it is etched with a strong acid. After that, silane coupling agent is applied. Then it is bonded to tooth structure. Okay. So it is the metal wings are etched. Then it is bonded to tooth structure. Okay. Now coming to that is Maryland bridge. Remember, Maryland bridge does not have any perforations. Okay. Does not have any perforation. It is etched with the help of a strong acid. Okay. Now, Rochette bridge. Rochette bridge, it has got perforations over the wing. So, the resin will pass through the perforation and it will bond with the tooth structure. So, there will be mechanical interlocking. Okay. So, again, the wings will have a perforation which will provide mechanical retention, and again chemical retention is provided by the silane coupling agent. So both will help to retain the prosthesis. Coming to Virginia bridge. Virginia bridge, it is fabricated with the help of lost salt technique. So when we fabricate the wax pattern, see, before casting we make a wax pattern of the restoration, right? We'll make a wax pattern. Now, in the inner surface of the wings, we will embed it with salt. Some sort of salt. Okay. Now, this salt is dissolved in a liquid. Now, what happens? The surface of the wing will now have roughness because of the presence of the salt has been dissolved. So, the space occupied by the salt is now will act as surface roughness, right? This surface roughness will help in mechanical bonding of the wing. Okay, so Virginia bridge is fabricated with the help of lost salt technique. Okay, Maryland bridge has metal wing which is acid etched. Rochette bridge has funnel shaped perforations. Virginia bridge is with the lost salt technique. Okay, again, this is a salt sprinkled and this is placed over the water in an ultrasonic cleaner so that to dissolve the salt, the left spaces will create a roughness. Okay, so the lost salt technique is used to the fabrication of Virginia bridges. Clear?